Sargam Academy English അനായാസം സംസാരിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഈ പാഠ്യപദ്ധതിയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം.
Friends, now I will talk to you about the simple preposition at. At is used in three contexts A, B and C. Context A, to show exact position. Susan lives at Premnagar in Delhi. Susan lives at Premnagar in Delhi. The exact position, location where Susan lives. Adam works at the city branch of the bank. Where does Adam work? He works at the city branch of the bank. He is waiting at the bus stop. Where is he waiting now? He is waiting right at the bus stop. At. So in these sentences, at shows exact position of somebody or something. Now on to context B, in which at is generally used. Sharp time. The match starts at 3 o'clock, exact time. The match starts at 3 o'clock. The flight takes off or the flight lands at 8:30 p.m. The flight lands or takes off at 8:30 p.m. exact time. I went to bed at midnight. Sharp time. I went to bed at midnight. So in these sentences, at shows sharp time. And now on to condition. See? Condition. She is at lunch. Where is she? I would like to meet her. She is at lunch. That means she is taking lunch. They are at a meeting. They are at a session. They are at a conference. So it shows condition. At a meeting. These countries are at war. See? These countries are at war. North Korea and South Korea were at war from 1950 to 1953. At war. He is good at painting. He is good at painting. He is good at swimming. He is good at photography. And she is good at dancing. She is good at composing songs. She is good at dancing. He is good at batting. He is good at bowling. So there also we use at to show a particular condition, right? Thank you.
Sargam Academy YouTube channel സന്ദർശിക്കുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്.